A clever strategy for financing that most AI companies cannot replicate is to use existing assets as a guarantee on debt. Since Coreweave owns hardware, they have a clever way to access debt markets and avoid equity sales. This post discusses practical patterns for integrating large language models into systems and products. It draws from academic research, industry resources, and practitioner know-how. The post looks at 7 key patterns that cover a spectrum of improving performance versus reducing cost, risk, and closer to the data versus closer to the user. OpenAI has applied for a trademark for GPT-5, describing it as a new downloadable computer software for using language models. This model improved performance by 15% on a flood prediction task while mostly operating on satellite images. It is able to perform a few tasks that could be useful to folks building, such as crop classification. A diffusion model to colorize black and white images. Healthcare is 20% of the US economy, but the industry has been slow to adopt technology. With AI, health tech companies no longer need to fight the uphill battle of training people on software. Instead, they can sell AI that acts like a person and takes more and more of the work off healthcare professionals' plates, enabling them to work on more interesting problems and practice at the top of their licenses. SoftMoE is a new model architecture that improves upon sparse mixture of expert (MoE) models. It offers larger model capacity with lower costs by using a soft assignment method where each expert processes a subset of input tokens. SoftMoE outperforms standard transformers and other MoE models in visual recognition tasks. It performs equally well compared to the VIT-Huge 14 model, but with a much lower inference cost. When scaled up, SoftMoE significantly increases model parameters while keeping inference time cost minimal, resulting in better performance. Plus, it's fully differentiable. This research explores how large language models can recognize their own errors, particularly in multi-step reasoning problems, without needing external resources. The researchers developed a zero-shot verification method to identify errors and enhance performance in question-answering tasks. This study introduces a new approach called training-free instance segmentation that can segment instances within images without the need for intensive training or detailed image annotations. The method provides competitive results without additional resources or increased computation costs by using pre-existing semantic segmentation models and refining the output through a learnable object boundary branch. With recent advancements in AI, superconductors, nuclear energy, and infrastructure, 2023 will likely be looked back on as the year that technological progress really began taking off again. This research proposes an innovative approach for robot navigation using pointing gestures, captured by an omnidirectional camera to overcome certain position and direction constraints. Vizly uses AI to analyze your data in seconds. ZEP allows you to easily add relevant documents, chat history memory, and rich user data to your LLM app's prompts. A full explanation of the various AI rules and regulations that Congress is considering, including those pertaining to copyrights, privacy, and algorithmic bias.